Hey everyone! So when you are using StreamFab, do you ever find yourself wondering if you are downloading a bit too much, or a bit too fast, or just how to keep the whole experience running smoothly? Now let's be clear, hearing about accounts having issues is super rare. We're talking a few isolated cases at most. But hey, who doesn't want that extra peace of mind and to make sure you can keep using it for the long haul? Today, as a long-time user myself, I'm going to share a few pro habits that optimize your experience and keep things worry-free.
Nice.
Before we dive into the tips, I have to stress one crucial ground rule. All content we download using StreamFab should be done in strict compliance with your local laws and is intended for personal backup and educational use only. Okay, back to it. What's the secret to great long-term experience with a tool like this? It's not about downloading as much as you can, as fast as you can. It's about being smart and smooth. Our core mindset is simple. How do we make our download activity look more like a regular fan who's just enjoying the shows? The first little trick is to pace yourself. Don't try to download an entire series in one single day. Think of StreamFab's daily quota as a maximum, not the target you need to hit. My personal recommendation, slow it down a bit. Maybe stick to around 20 episodes a day, and even better, spread those downloads throughout the day. It's not just easier on your hard drive, but also perfectly mimics how a normal person will actually watch a show. Second tip, rotate your platforms. This works great if you subscribe to a few different services. Hit up Netflix today, maybe try Disney Plus tomorrow. By using them all in a balanced way, you avoid putting too much traffic pressure on any single platforms. It's a win-win, right? Third, I highly recommend mixing your downloading with some regular online streaming. After you've downloaded a big series, give the app a rest for a few days. During that time, just watch some other stuff online normally on that platform to generate some playback history. This makes your account activity look super healthy and authentic, like the profile of a top-tier user. And the last tip is, especially for new accounts, give it a warm-up period. When an account is brand new, don't rush straight to downloading, just use them normally for about a week. Watch some videos online and build up some watch history. Once it's broken in, you can start doing some light downloading. It's just like braking in a new car. It's much better for it in the long run. And finally, a little advanced pointer. Different platforms can have different sensitivities to high traffic activity. Based on feedback from other users, it seems platforms like Amazon might have a system that's a bit more rigorous. So if you're mainly using their service, just taking things at a slightly slower pace is probably the smarter and the more comfortable play. Alright, to sum up all these little habits, it really comes down to one thing. Just make usage look like that of a regular bench watcher, and your experience will be smooth as silk. If these tips were helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Do you have any of your own pro tips? Drop them in the comments below so we can all help each other get the best experience possible. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.